Rurrenabaque is one of the country's most popular tourist destinations, and it is also the gate of entry to Madidi National Park. Balatour's Ecolodge is your best option for ecotourism, jungle adventure, hikes and exploring. All provided through the professionalism, safety and experience of our staff, who will accompany you on your voyage through this amazing place of unique beauty and diversity. With over 10 years of experience, Balatour's Ecolodge is one of the companies that is best able to make sure your trip to Bolivia is an unforgettable one. Every year, thousands of tourists arrive here, anxious to discover nature at its most spectacular, and Balatour's is your best host. This is a world of nature in which to live out new and unforgettable experiences. Balatour's Tacuaral Jungle Ecolodge is located on the shores of the Tuichi River, which opens the way to one of the most extraordinary tourism circuits in the world. The Bala Strait is the door to Madidi National Park and Pilon Lajas Reserve, right in the heart of the northern La Paz and Beni tropical forest. Balatour's Ecolodge took its name from this place, which is so famous for its scenery. Here, a pioneering tour company was born, committed to preserving nature in this jungle that houses a vast and diverse array of plants, animals, natural landscapes, and communities, all as part of its great attraction. Balatour's offers several ways of exploring the jungle. From short 2 to 3 day trips getting to know the area's plentiful wildlife, to unique 9-day journeys, including walking trips from Apollo. On this journey, you pass through different native communities that still preserve their cultures and traditional ways of life, archaeological ruins and unique landscapes, eventually reaching the Tuichi and Beni rivers. Visiting Madidi and Pilon Lajas' most attractive sites is also included in this tour package. At both of these reserves, you can see macaws and the many other species of birds that inhabit these tropical forests. Another of Balatour's options is sailing from Sapecho to Rurrenabaque in 4 days. Our guests will meet the Chimane, Moseten, and Takana peoples, as well as observing the local wildlife. At the end of these exciting ventures, rest and relaxation await you at our Jungle Ecolodge, the Tacuaral. Its comfortable cabins can accommodate up to 20 people, and our restaurant service includes typical regional dishes that will make your memories of Madidi last forever. Live out the best and most memorable moments of your life exploring the jungle. We are the people who know about tourism. Balatour's Ecolodge, your best choice.